Hi Lavishedlu, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lavishedlu. Yes, I'm back with another video, like new banger. Okay, so in today's video I'm just going to show you how to create a cut crease if you have a hooded eye or a hooded lid. So stay to the end. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, or if you're returning and you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my new videos. And thank you so much for stopping by. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. So first of all, I'm gonna clean off my eyelid, and I'm using a brown shade. That's like, I just prefer that color to create me a nice beautiful canvas. And I could have used the concealer before, but in this case I'm just doing a cut crease, so I didn't think it was necessary for me to create any transitions and stuff like that. I just wanted to show you how I do my cut crease. Right now I'm using the blank canvas from P.Louise base, as I showed earlier on my hand. That's what I'm using. You can use your concealer or any eyeshadow base that you have that works for you. So this is how I created my crease. You can see that I have excess skin on my eyelid. That is what it means to have a hooded lid. And instead of me to just cut a smaller crease, I made my cut crease bigger, which means I made it go above where I have that excess skin. Because people with hooded lid, when we open our eyes after we do eyeshadows, or when we create like eyeliners, we have a really serious problem. The things start getting messy, and you know, the colors start like just communicating with each other in your eyes, and it's just messy. So I made sure that I created my cut crease bigger, like I went it like more above the hooded part. Okay, and that's it. So that's just how I do my cut crease. I make it bigger, and it just goes above the excess skin, like way above it, like a half an inch above, or even an inch above it. And in this case, I'm using the Safari palette volume 1 from Makeuprific. Yes, this is my brand. Okay, this is my brand, so please support me, support a new black owned beauty brand, Makeuprific. I think I'm so proud of myself, so support me. This palette is bomb. Like, look at the consistency. It was blending so effortlessly. I used the black shade and the burgundy and brown, mixed those three together, just blended it all. And then I used the cream shade on the inner lid area, the inner part. And there was a shimmer shade in that palette. It's very gold. I used it above it to create that beautiful shimmery ombre look. So that was basically it. And right now I'm using this eyeliner. This is an eyeliner that I got randomly from the store. I don't really know the name because it doesn't come with the line. It just says eyeliner, and it is just bomb. Like, it's my go-to eyeliner. I use it to create this beautiful winged eyeliner. If you want to know how to create an eyeliner with a hooded lid, then leave it in the comment down below. So I'm gonna do a tutorial for you on that. And that's basically it. Popped on my lash, and I was done from there, you know, like, period. Like, this look is amazing. There's nothing else you can tell me about it. Look at that. So you see how it looks when you create a bigger cut crease. And when I open my eyes, you can still see the eyeshadow. Like, you can still see it. Nothing is going into anything. Like, it's all clean. It's beautiful. My wing liner is in place. All my shadows are in place. They're not cracking and breaking up. And it also depends on the eyeshadow you use. This eyeshadow is just bomb. Like, it's so creamy, and the consistency is amazing. And that's it for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment, like this video, and kindly follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification button. My Instagram is Lavishedlu, and my beauty page on Instagram is Makeuprific. Thank you all, and see you in my next one. Bye.